So I got to know about New Roots from one of my friends. I asked him that I saw his results and they were great. So I decided to give it a try. So I went ahead and started consulting with one of your doctors. I found the process that was defined by him to be pretty straightforward and something that can be done without much of a pain. Once the operation was over, I was given multiple visits. So the doctor was very, I would say, helpful in terms of deciding when or when not to give a PRP. So I came back twice. I was told that, okay, you need further assistance in terms of further medication changes, and the PRP was like rescheduled. So that I thought was something very kind of the doctor, because it was easy for them to give let a patient come in, give 3 PRPs and let them go. But I found that they are more caring. They do not want to rush things, which I liked about the organization. In terms of my experience, so I didn't have a sort of, what do you say, like a lack of confidence in terms of I don't have a hair, but I would say it definitely feels great. Like after the operation, at least like in terms of my confidence, that obviously gets a boost. In overall, it was a very nice experience.